channel. In today's video, I will be making my first DIY project for this year. And because a lot of people, including me, are now going crazy about plants, there are so many plantitas and plantitos around, and that kind of influenced me as well. This DIY project is gonna be winter friendly because right now it is super cold in Korea. Please continue watching and check out how I'm gonna turn these plants that need repotting into my DIY hanging plants. So for this project, I'm gonna need some bottles. This was my husband's wine bottle. I just cleaned it and then peeled off the stickers. Pasta bottle, old candy bottle, and I feel like I don't have any use for this anymore, so I'll be using this one also as a container. Most of these items I already have at home, just except for these two. So I got these two at Daiso for 1,001 per bottle. And I'm also gonna need some strings. Okay, so you can use any strings at home, but I prefer this one because this is actually biodegradable. Hooks or hangers, I'm just gonna reuse this for this project. This pair of socks are actually my daughter's baby socks. You can just use any socks or unused old socks that you have at home. I'm also going to use this old chocolate plastic box. Instead of throwing it away, I'm going to recycle this. I will also use some scissors and newspapers to cover my working station.
Deep in the shadows, I know it's hard to put one foot in front of the other. So far as the echo, where do we start? You can learn to discover a million stars. Here in the shadows, I know you're scared. Take my hand together, we'll make a stand. We've got to fight to find a way. Dare to fall to find out what to say. No more hate. Just admit that you're just afraid. Time to let go of all your fears and pride. Stand up beside me, don't you hide. come together, lift your spirit for the cause. We should be equal, should be living free. All together, one and all. All together, one and all. All together, one and all. Let's live a better day. Deep in the shadows, I know it's hard to put one foot in front of the other. So far as the echo, where do we start? You can learn to discover a million stars. Here in the shadows, I know you're scared. Take my hand, together we'll make a stand. We've got to fight to find a way. Dare to fall to find out what to say. No more hate. Just admit that you're just afraid. Time to let go of all your fears and pride. Stand up beside me, don't you hide. We can build a better place. If we can just find a way, then we can live a better day. Rise from the ashes, from the anger, from the war. Let's come together, lift your spirit for the cause. We should be equal, should be living free. All together, one and all, let's build a dream.